My channel, and if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. It is your girl Kayla, aka K Ray. Now, quick little thing, this has nothing to do with the video, but I really haven't been able to be active on YouTube for the past few weeks because I got a tonsillectomy, so I really wasn't able to talk. But you wouldn't know that if you don't follow me on Instagram. So I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen so you can follow me at K_Ray, okay? But anyways, that's beside the point. So today I'm really excited for this video. I know a lot of people are excited for this video because a lot of people requested it. So today we're going to be doing my renovated room tour. I've been living in this house since I was 6 years old. I'm 21 now. I've lived here all my life pretty much. And my room was rough. It was really rough. I unfortunately don't have any pictures or videos or anything of my old room. But if you know me personally, then you know like my room was rough. So today I'm just going to be going around my room, you know, just saying where I got certain things from, what the areas are, and it's a small space, so this is a, I guess, like small space friendly room tour as well. So if you have a small room and you want some ideas on what to do, I got you. Also, I love my t-shirt from God is Dope. I have so many of their t-shirts, so definitely check them out. They're also inexpensive. I think this shirt was like $6. They're always having a sale, but that is beside the point. But seriously, go check out God is Dope. But anyways, let's get straight into this room tour, y'all. I'm so excited for y'all to see it. It's so cute. So when you first walk into my room, you see my vanity area here. First thing that you see when you look up is this piece of artwork. It says confidence, I wear it like makeup, that I purchased from Burlington's. Then we actually get into the vanity. So my mirror I got from Amazon, and I love this mirror because it's touchscreen and it has 3 different modes of lighting. So it has natural light, blue light, and yellow light, and you could change the dimness, like if you want it to be light dim or if you want it to be like a really bright light. I love it. And then we have my tray here with all of my go-to hair products. We have my makeup organizer with all of my go-to makeup. Oh, the tray, sorry, I got it from Amazon as well. The makeup organizer is from Ross. I have my little sponge blender holders that are from Shop Miss A, $1, highly recommend. I have my makeup brush cups. Blending is my cardio from Big Lots for $5. I also have another one over here that says wake up and makeup, also $5 from Big Lots. The actual, I guess I would say vanity, was from IKEA. Like I said, all the links will be in the description box if you're interested in any of these items because I don't remember any of the prices off the top of my head. I also got the stool from IKEA. I got the pink little furry topper from Amazon. And then we have my, I guess, makeup and skincare and all that organizer. Now, the thing about this is that I actually wanted the Alex drawers from IKEA, I believe they're called, but they're always sold out. They come in stock and then they're sold out immediately. So me and my mom went to Michael's and we just so happened to find this, and it's been pretty good. I don't have any complaints about it. So yeah, I just keep some of my extra makeup in here. On the top, we have more makeup in those little bags, my skincare, and then we just have the little miscellaneous things, deodorant, lotions. As you can see, a lot of cotton balls, a lot of cotton rounds, the whole shebang. So yeah, this is honestly my favorite area of the room just because I've always dreamed about having a vanity. And my dream finally came true, you know, after living here for pretty much all my life, but I love it. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot about this. I got these little fake flowers from Dee Dee's. I got this little Wake, Pray, Slay little plate from Dee Dee's as well. I use that to put lashes on, and I have this little fake plant, this little fake succulent. I have 4 of these in total, so you're gonna see them throughout the entire room tour. So yeah. Okay, so next is going to be my dresser area and my TV area, since they go in one. Also, if my voice sounds weird, it's because I'm still not fully recovered from the tonsillectomy. So yeah, don't mind it. But anyways, so here we have my Samsung TV. It has its issues sometimes, but I love it. It's a good TV. It just has its little minor issues here and there. Then I have my favorite painting in the entire room. This was made for me by, and I'm going to put her Instagram in the video, by Say Thug on Instagram. So like I said, I'm gonna put it on the side of the screen and I'm gonna put it in the description box. So please be sure to go and follow her, support her. Black owned business. She does artwork and she's amazing. I love this painting so much. Like, oh my gosh, I always just like stare at it. It's so beautiful. Then above my favorite painting, we have this clock from IKEA that I got. I like it because instead of, you know, it just being like a boring regular clock, it lights up every 5th second. So I love that. I personally love this just entire area. It's so cute. Then we can move into the actual dresser area. So here we have another one of those little succulent plants that I was talking about. This is a cup from Benihana's that my mom got a while ago. We have this little box that I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I got it from Dee Dee's. Then we have this planter from Ross, but I use it for my Scentbird perfumes because I have nowhere else to put them. But I like it because it's white and gold and it goes with my theme. We have my Sonos speaker with Alexa, and I love it. I love it. Like, I just love listening to music on it because it's a really nice speaker. It's on the pricier side, but it'll be worth it. Then I have this little thing that says, "Dear Bed, I love you, XOXO," because anyone who knows me knows I love my sleep. I love my bed. So yeah. Then we have this jewelry organizer from Amazon. And I also love this too because it's gold with a little marble tray and everything. Yeah, a lot of my furniture, not my furniture, accessories and decor in the room is like gold and white because that was the theme of my room originally. Then I started adding in like pops of pink, but you're gonna see it. Then I have my light up K that I got from Rue 21 a while back, so I'm not sure if they still have them. I have my little light up sign that says K-Ray Space on it. Welcome to K-Ray Space, even though I haven't been able to have any guests here because of COVID. I can't turn it off. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I have one of my favorite candles. I have a drawer full of candles, but this is one of my favorite candles. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. Yeah, I got it from TJ Maxx. It says aloe there. I love it. Oh, it smells so good. I'm a candle girl, so I love it. Then I have this candle right here and the little candle holder I got from IKEA. The candle in there is also from IKEA. I believe it's a vanilla bean scent. Then there's another one of those little fake succulent plants. Then here we have my little fish son. He's in here. Don't mind the food. That's his food, but he sometimes just lets it sit there and then he'll go back to it. There he is. This is Bixby, everybody. Bixby Gray. This is my little fish son. I know, you know, there are like dog moms and cat moms, but I unfortunately can't have a dog or a cat right now. So yeah, and I got him and all his stuff from Petco. So yeah, and the actual dresser, I've had this since I've lived in this house. So since I was 6 years old, I repainted it just a regular white, because it was like a beige white, so I repainted it white, and then I repainted the knobs gold. So yeah, and then I have my black carpet that I believe I also got from Ross. But yeah, that's the dresser area. Okay, so now my all-time favorite space in the room, my bed. So also the bed I've had since I've been here, so I don't exactly know where the furniture like my bed and my dresser came from, but I've had it since I was 6, so I unfortunately don't have details about that. But I also did repaint the bed white, did the bottom, little knobs gold, but yeah. So pretty much everything on my bed is from Ross. Yeah, I got the comforter set from Ross. I believe it was $40. Pillows are pretty much from Ross. I think I got the white pillow from Dee Dee's though. Pink blanket is from Ross. Yeah, everything on the bed is from Ross. My eyelash artwork is also from Ross. And then I have these curtains. Let me go in so you guys can actually like see that they have like little like gold balls on them. So they're white curtains, sheer white curtains with little gold balls on them, and I got these curtains from Home Goods. Yeah, I'm so in love with my bed. Like I just love it. Okay, now we move into the last area of my room, or the last major area of my room, my desk. So I never had a desk in my room ever because I didn't have space pretty much. Or at least it looked like I didn't have space because my walls weren't white. Now I highly recommend, if you're in a small space, paint your walls white because it'll make the space seem a lot bigger than it is. But yeah, so we have my desk here. The desk and the desk chair are from IKEA. Also, the lamp is from IKEA as well. So when you come to my desk, I have my little notepad where I could just take quick little notes if I need to. Another one of those candle holders. This little Get It Girl thing. I don't exactly know what to call this, but it says Get It Girl. I got this from Burlington's. Then behind my laptop, also I love my laptop screen. You're exactly where you need to be. I need to remind myself of that because in this day and age with social media, with people being in their, you know, like early 20s and mid 20s and them being like, you know, IG models and so successful right now, I have to remind myself that it's gonna be my time when it's my time. So I know that I am exactly where I need to be. I love having this because it motivates me every day and it makes me feel like I'm on the right track. But behind my laptop, we have some push pins, some clips, and some paper clips. And this set was from Ross. My mom got it for me. Then we have these gold scissors, gold stapler, and gold tape holder. Those are from Target. I have my 4th succulent here. Then we have my cup full of pens. Gold ruler is from Target as well. So all 4 of those things are from Target. I don't exactly know where the cup is from because my mom just gave it to me. Then we have my gold tiger that I got from Ross. Then here I just have my blue light glasses. I love these since, you know, I'm in school and everything and I have to be in front of my computer. I love to use those. I have my sermon notes notebook, my Bible, and then I have my planner underneath all that whenever I have to write something, you know, important. Planner is from Ross. My Bible and my sermon notes notebook is from Amazon. Then I have my coasters that I also got from Ross. This is a bell that I had during my tonsillectomy recovery since I couldn't talk and I couldn't call for my parents. I would ring the bell. This is another one of those plates. It says Girl Boss on it. Yeah, this is just here, just to be here, to hold stuff. As you can see, it has my little guide to the Golden Girls. I love the Golden Girls. They are my absolute faves. That's one of my favorite shows. Then here we have this little block, I guess day thing. I don't know what to call this stuff, but I use this just to, you know, tell me what day it is. So I change it the night before the day that it is so that I can wake up and I'm like, oh yeah, it's, as you can see, September 18th, Friday. Then we just have hand sanitizer because, you know, COVID, sanitize. And then we have my wireless charging pad so I could charge my Apple Watch. My phone just lays right here, and then I could put my AirPods right here. And this is for an Apple Pencil, but I don't have an Apple Pencil because I'm not spending $200 on an Apple Pencil. Then down here, we have my books and just my notebooks for school. I have my erasers, and then sometimes if I had to use my phone in class for something, I have this phone stand. We have my computer bag, and then just my two go-to backpacks, my Versace backpack, and then this little bag that I got from FabFitFun. Then we have this white rug that I believe I also got from Ross. But yeah, let me push this back up. But yeah, this is my desk area. Also, I do have those little LED lights, so let me just turn it on. I, at night, sometimes like to have my peach lights on. I labeled these as peach. I made this color myself. But yeah, I just have it around the perimeter of my mirror. And then going right, you know, to the middle of where my bed is. I want to complete the wall and bring it down, but I have to wait until I can buy some more. So yeah. Okay, so I actually didn't tell the truth. There's one more small area. Here we have my wall calendar. As you can see, my mom was like, you know, monitoring all the days of my recovery, just labeling, you know, what days were good, what days were bad. Then over here, I have my little golden girls, because I got a little magnet set. That's where the little book came from. So I put them over here. I have this little quote from a lady from my church, be willing to wait a while for what's worthwhile, Tavon Morrison. I love Tavon. Then I have this little gold holder where I put all my markers. I don't know why it's slanted, but I don't want to touch it because I feel like it's gonna fall. I got this from Home Goods. I don't remember how much it was because my mom bought it. The actual wall calendar was from Amazon. And then we go down here. And then I have my little gold trash can, which I feel like this was a lot more than it should have been. But I got it from Amazon, so I feel like that explains itself enough. Then I have my little small filer where I just have important files like some mail, transfer stuff for school, stuff from my job that like the kids drew me or something, miscellaneous things, and I got the file folders from Amazon. And then we have my little furry slides. I'm usually wearing my furry slides, but I decided to wear my slippers that say I need my beauty sleep. So yeah, that is my renovated room tour. Like I said, I am going to I'm going to put everything in the description box. So okay guys, I'm sweating, it's so hot in here. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for supporting your girl. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, the whole shebang-a-bang. And I will see you guys in my next video.